Hi, my name is Sean Walsh and I'm a mechanical engineer with Mantis Marine. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the air filter on the Mantis compressor. Every 20 hours of operation, or every year, whichever occurs first, we'll need to change out the air filter contained in this chamber. So first we're going to disconnect our tank, and in order to do that we're going to close our tank and we're going to drain the pressure out of the line. Once our line is completely depressurized, there is still pressure in the manifold because of the pressure maintenance valve. So we're going to use the air vent to relieve the pressure in the manifold. Once the pressure in the manifold has been relieved, we're ready to take out the filter. We're going to use the tools provided with the compressor. Use one to hold the chamber, and use the second one to remove the lid. Once the lid and the O-ring are off of the chamber, we can remove the filter. Then, once we have the new filter, we put it in, and we're going to push it. It's going to pop into place. Important that we fully seat it. Then we're good to put the lid back on, and we'll use the provided tools once again to tighten. And at that point, our air filter is good for another 20 hours of use, or a year, whichever comes first. Thank you.